Hey guys, so I am back with another video, and um this is also going to be another makeup video, but this is going to be an everyday look instead of a back to school look. I'm really not going to be talking during this one. I'm just going to be showing you the products I use. Before I start, I just want to talk about the products I use for my skincare. I use Clinique. So you can see that. I use that. I use this before I put on my makeup, but this is not what I use to keep my actual skin clean. I ran out of what I usually use, so let me show you what I wash my face every day and night. Kate Somerville, I ran out of it, so I'm going to be getting some more before school. So you can get this from Sephora in the beauty face section, or you can get this from Ulta Beauty. And then I have Mario, I feel like I'm going to say this wrong, Mario Badescu. Okay, even if I said it wrong, this is what I use. I use those for my everyday wash. And then I usually just put like Vaseline cocoa butter on my face after I wash it to like moisturize it. And yeah, that's what I use to keep my face clear and smooth, because makeup looks much better when your face is clear and smooth and doesn't have a bunch of pimples or bumps on it. FYI. So we're gonna get started. finishing look for my everyday look. I scratched myself a lot because I just got my nails done. I just want to show y'all. If y'all live in Houston, I'll put in the comments below. I mean, not in the comments, but I'll put down below who did my nails. And yeah, I'm really upset that I scratched up my face. I scratched up right here too, but kind of covered it up. You can still see it. Yeah, this is my everyday face. I hope y'all enjoyed this video because I don't know, I just really want y'all to enjoy my channel and have great laughs. I know I didn't really talk in this video because I felt like I talked a lot in the last video and that y'all heard enough of me. So I just, stay quiet this whole video. And yeah, I really like it. Even though I'm not really going anywhere special today. Just dance practice. But bye. Hope y'all had a nice day. And guess what? Chicken butt. Okay, bye.